Welcome to an exploration of one of humanity's greatest achievements, NASA's iconic missions to the Moon. Get ready for a journey through history and the future of space exploration. From the first rockets to the ambition of returning to the lunar surface, NASA's moon missions have continuously pushed the boundaries of what is possible. In the early days, NASA's focus was clear: mastering spaceflight. This effort was driven by the global space race and the desire to be the first to reach the Moon. The goal of sending humans to the Moon was a massive undertaking, demanding revolutionary advancements in technology, engineering, and human courage. The Apollo program, spanning the 1960s and 1970s, remains the most famous chapter of moon exploration, culminating in one giant leap for mankind. Preceding Apollo, the Mercury and Gemini programs set the critical groundwork, perfecting orbital mechanics, rendezvous, and docking procedures necessary for a successful lunar mission. The monumental Apollo 11 mission achieved the ultimate goal, landing the first humans, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on the lunar surface in 1969. Through Apollo, astronauts brought back invaluable lunar samples, providing key insights into the Moon's origin, history, and the formation of our solar system. The achievements of Apollo not only demonstrated human ingenuity, but also inspired generations to pursue science, technology, and the impossible. Fast forward to today, and NASA is embarking on the Artemis program, a new era of lunar exploration aimed at returning humans to the Moon. Artemis seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on and around the Moon, utilizing its resources and preparing for future deep space travel. Artemis I successfully completed an uncrewed test flight of the Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System rocket, proving the foundational systems for human flight. Artemis II will carry a crew on a lunar flyby, marking the first time humans have traveled to the vicinity of the Moon since the Apollo era. Artemis III aims to be truly historic, landing the first woman and the first person of color on the Moon's surface, paving the way for a more diverse future in space. The Artemis program is not just about nostalgia. It represents a new generation's drive to explore and conquer new challenges beyond Earth's orbit. Establishing a presence on the Moon is critical for building the infrastructure needed for longer-duration deep space missions, ultimately leading to Mars. NASA's lunar exploration is evolving into a permanent human stepping stone for future ventures into the solar system. The journey continues.